If your TikTok shop not showing or the creator fund not showing on TikTok, don't worry. This is actually a very common issue, and I'm going to help you fix it in a simple way. First, make sure your account is properly set up for TikTok monetization eligibility. First, go to the TikTok and then click on Profile. Then go to the three-line menu. After that, go to the setting. Then slowly scroll down and click on Free Up Space, and then Clear All. This helps refresh hidden features like TikTok Shop dashboard access and monetization tools. Now, if everything is correct but still not showing, try updating your TikTok app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and install the latest version. Many users fix the Creator Fund missing issue just by updating. If it still doesn't appear, then log out and log back in. Sometimes TikTok needs a refresh to activate Shop and Creator Fund features properly. So yeah, in most cases, this solves the fix TikTok Shop not showing problem easily. If it still doesn't work, then it might be region-based limitation from TikTok itself.